Everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can apply for a Macquarie Bank credit card. So in order to apply for a Macquarie credit card, you just have to follow these steps. Open up a browser. You can also do this with the help of a mobile phone. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. And on the web address bar, type in www.macquarie.com.au/everydaybanking. That's going to take you to their official page. Here, go ahead and select credit card, or by default, it will be selected as credit card. Scroll down to the bottom and you should be able to find the list of credit cards that they offer. So if you want to apply for it, you just have to press on the next step next to the credit card that you wish to apply for. And here you can see that it may be made available to a client meeting criteria as a part of a Macquarie's home loan package. Now speaking of this, you can just press on this. So press on the link and on this page, click on Apply Online located in the top right hand side corner. This is going to take you to their official page here. So over here, you need to select how can you help. So you can just go ahead and click on continue your application and you could go ahead and start with your registration. So you just have to go ahead and enter your first name, last name, all of that and begin with the application procedure. So in that way, you'll have successfully applied for the Macquarie credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.